Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost your laptop's performance. The Kingston 48GB DDR5 5600 metric tons SODIMM. Specifically, we're looking at the KCP556SD 8-48 model. Now, 48 gigabytes of RAM in a laptop might sound like overkill to some, but for content creators, gamers, or anyone who juggles multiple demanding applications, it can be a game changer. This Kingston module is designed to slot right into compatible laptops, instantly expanding your memory capacity. Kingston is a well-known and trusted brand in the memory market, and they've built their reputation on quality and reliability. This DDR5 SODIMM is no exception. It's made with quality components and undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Kingston's high standards. The 5,600 metric tons speed is a significant step up from older DDR4 modules, offering faster data transfer rates and improved overall system responsiveness. One of the key advantages of choosing Kingston is their system-specific design. Each module is engineered and tested to maximize performance within specific laptop models. This means you're getting a memory upgrade that's optimized for your machine, reducing the risk of compatibility issues. Before you rush out and buy this, it's crucial to double-check compatibility with your laptop's manufacturer. Not all laptops support DDR5 memory, and even those that do might have limitations on the maximum memory capacity or speed. Always refer to your laptop's manual or the manufacturer's website to confirm compatibility. Kingston backs this memory module with a lifetime warranty and free technical support, which is a testament to their confidence in the product's durability and reliability. It also gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. In summary, the Kingston 48GB DDR5 5600 metric tons SODIMM is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop's memory. It offers a significant performance boost, especially for demanding tasks, and comes with the backing of a reputable brand. Just remember to verify compatibility before purchasing to ensure a smooth and hassle-free upgrade experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.